Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about how different things are going to change in Windows. And one of them was that we would get a better way of accessing new features when you want them, because one of the biggest problems is that the way that they roll out features, the controlled rollout features, means that you never know when you're going to get something new. And some enthusiasts would like to have some of these features now rather than wait until they decide they want, that you want it or not, or that it will be ready and seems to work for everybody. So the Insider Rings have started having a new setting in the Settings app. You will now have in the Windows Update and Windows Insider program right now something called feature flags. These feature flags mean that through Windows, instead of, a lot of people use ViveTool to enable some of these new features, but now this is going to be easier. You'll have the feature flags option in the settings. You'll be able to search for a flag for a setting that you'd like to turn on, and there will be a switch to turn on that new feature. And if it breaks something or if it doesn't work well, you can turn it off. So it will be much easier. You'll have control over what you want. And this is not going to be just insiders. This is eventually going to appear within Windows 11 installs. So good news, what they are promising is coming through. They are going to have a feature flag option in the Windows updates at some point, and you'll be able to turn on or off the new features that are showing up every week or every month. This is good news if you like to try new things and new features in Windows. And of course, you have the ability to turn on or off all of these features through there when they are being tested and still not available to everybody. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.